My name is Anita Fonteboa. I am an author, and today I will be showing you how to create your own 3D mock-up of your own books. I like to use BookBrush. They have a free version and a paid version, and it depends on what you're looking for your book covers. But I'm going to jump in right now so you can see how you can do it. So we're going to go here where it says Tools, and it's going to say Instant Mockups. So now we are in the 3D mockups, and you can pick a square shape, you can pick a horizontal, you can pick a vertical, and we're gonna do the 3D mockups right now. So these are all the samples of the mockups that you can make on your book. They have different types of ebooks, of tablets, of regular books, as well as for audiobooks. You can create your own one that you want. I'm going to use my new book, that's the Rituales de Limpieza Guía Paso a Paso, which is the Spanish version of my cleansing rituals book, step-by-step guide. We're going to be using this one, and all you do is pick which you want from this group of books that you see here. Right now, I'm going to pick the tablet. I'm going to pick a phone. I'm going to pick this book. And if you are doing a book reveal, they also have mock-ups that you can pick and choose from, like this one right here, or as you go down, they have different versions of it. You can have someone holding the tablet in their hand or the book in their hand as one of the samples. And as you can go down, you can see there's more book reveal covers as you go down. You can pick this one, and then once you're done with all of the ones that you want to pick, as you can see, there's so many that you can choose from all the way down that you can go. You're gonna say convert now, and it's going to generate all of the photos for you. And once you have that, you can download it to your computer. So we're gonna wait while it works its magic, and then we're gonna see all of the mock-ups that we have chosen for my book. And as you can see, once you're done, it's gonna tell you to download your images, and you're going to download them. Now what I do is it downloads here to this pocket, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open them, and as I click to each one, you're going to start seeing all of the book covers. As you can see here, this is my book reveal if I'm trying to create a book reveal for a new book launch. And this is the next template that we chose. This is the front cover of my book. It's sideways. This one here is in tablet form, and as you can see, as you go by, you will see all of them that you can download, and then you can add them into your book ads that you have that you want to sell your books. That's the next video that I'm going to be doing. But this is a good way for you to create your own book mockups. So that's been my 3D mockup for you that you can use using BookBrush and the DIY book covers 3D mockups. All of these are free to use. For BookBrush, you do have a free version and you do have a paid version. Usually the paid version allows you to do more of that. And I like BookBrush because you can also do book trailers for your book. That's another video that I will be doing soon. I hope all of this information has been very helpful for you and creating your own 3D book mockups. If you have a question, just leave it in the link below and I'll respond back to you. I hope that this has been informational and helpful, as I know when I was searching, I didn't know where to go, and we hope this video will be that for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Anita Fonteboa, and following me on social medias on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, as Anita Fonteboa author on Facebook and Anita Fonteboa on my other channels. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.